Hi guys, welcome back to
Hello,
the channel.
welcome back to Taste of Home.
Yeah, today's video is just gonna be a walk around. We've noticed we haven't shown you much.
Yeah, in today's video, we're hoping to show you a bit of a tour on our garden and a bit of an update of everything that we have done. And it's going to be a very exciting video.
Yeah, and I've got a friend of mine here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna show you maybe in the next coming videos what kind of breed this is,
Yeah.
and yeah, this can be one of the biggest chickens ever. Yeah,
Yes.
so we'll tell you a little bit about this breed, and yeah, so hope you enjoyed today's video. Hey guys, today's just a walk around video for property. What we have, got a couple of flowers going on here. These are marigolds. We planted these flowers I think 2 years ago, and they died. And now after the rains, all these yellow ones, they're just popping up. We didn't plant these specific ones, but the ones before these ones. It's quite interesting, right? They've got some, I think it's Indian basil. I like these flowers. Chickens too. We've had to empty the swimming pool for winter, right? And you've got some ladies back here. Today we let them be free. Let them busy scratching around. They love scratching. Got so many chickens. We need to slaughter some of them. We've been eating our backyard chickens for a while. Roadrunner chicken, pretty cool. So I've got this breed here. It's called a Brahma. They're the world giants. These are the biggest chicken you can find. Hello lady, what's up? They're always curious. They're huge. They're very gentle too, and they trust very easily. So we don't have any males at the moment because they were becoming very loud and noisy in the backyard. So only left these ones because they are laying eggs, and we've got enough chicks at the moment. Yeah, so the backyard has got so many chickens. We let them out. And another thing, we have just a few more chicks left in the brooder slash chicks coop. I think we've got 3 left. Okay, look at that. What are you doing in here? Okay, so we got these ones. I don't know, the smallest one there doesn't like to grow. It's not growing for some reason. This one still looks like a chick, but I can tell you that that small chick, that one, is the same age as, let me show you now. It's the same age as that black chick. This one here, same age. I don't know why it doesn't grow. But yeah, we've given it all sorts of herbs and everything. Doesn't look sick though. Yeah, it's strange. Yeah. Okay, that's the backyard. And then with the garden, you had to put that covering there on top. It's not yet done, but that's what we've done for now, just so we can protect the plants inside. Remember the video we posted last time where we had some chicken eating all the veggies and stuff? So it's still work in progress. Still got some timber left here just to finish up. So I've put this chicken, sorry, this, it's a bed net. Just need to cover the whole area. And yeah, a full video is coming for this one. And then we've got a pond going on here. I'm just finishing up with the towels and stuff. It's another video coming up. So this time I decided not to do a fish tank but a fish pond. So this one is gonna have a pump in here. She's gonna pump the water all the way somewhere to a filter and back into the pond from that small space there. I had it running. It's only I'm just changing the design, and I'll also be putting some kind of a shed so that the water doesn't get too exposed to the sun. Otherwise we're gonna start fighting the algae again. So yeah, that's the quick update we have. Backyard full of chickens and chicks. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Quick update. So a lot of videos are coming up soon. Yeah, for the pool I have had to clean it up just to ensure there's nothing in it. I'm gonna do a couple of repairs and gonna paint the whole thing this winter. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's quick video.
Yeah, I mean, and yeah, we can't wait to see you in the next one.